Hi everyone, this is Austin Hornstein with First Mid Ag Services here with your Farm Manager Minute. Today I wanted to highlight a relatively new tool in the toolbox of a farm manager, drones. I am a licensed UAV pilot just as many of the other farm managers here at First Mid are. This video you are currently watching was shot on a farm in Champaign County during this year's white corn harvest. Drones allow us to take videos and pictures for clients at angles that have been impossible in the past without an airplane. We can use this footage to track tile installation, tile issues, review severe weed pressure, or as you see in this video, document a harvest for clients who are not able to be present at their farm. Drones allow us as farm managers to be more efficient and effective for our clients. Thank you for joining me for this week's Farm Manager Minute. Please subscribe to our page for more of these videos.